Hello, professionals and students. Welcome back. One of the important session. This is one of the key important session which is actually required those who actually have footprints in S4 HANA. Maybe it might be any version 1610, 1709, 1702, 1909. Let's try to understand this. It is S4 2020. Okay. In this, today we are going to discuss about SE16H. Okay. So the traditional ECC system says SE16. Okay. So I'm aware of that from 6.5 version onwards. It's almost 10 years. I have seen SE16N. Okay. These two one and the same, but SE16N more graphical. You can able to give input fields how you want your output fields and a lot of other factors added. Okay, now you got SE16 and SE16N till now in ECC. What exactly this SE16H? Probably I don't know. Like if we stop ECC, we don't add this SE16H over there. So this is one of the highlight of S4 HANA system. So your SE16 and SE16N plus there is one feature called for reporting tool to create queries SQEI. All three put together, okay, at one place available in the form of SE16H. Okay, now let's try to understand. Okay, so I would like to pull this is KNVV. Okay, customer sales area data. So let's try to pull KNA1. This is for customer general data. Okay, so you got it out. Like you're talking about S4 HANA, but still, why are you talking about traditional tables? Without these tables, nothing is available. The concept of BPE is available in S4 HANA also, but the data will be stored in these respective tables. I'm not completely sure. Till 2021, I have seen these tables absolutely available in the S4 HANA system, except transaction got absolute like XD01, VD01. Okay, so such kind of thing. So let's try to run a query how SE16H works. So before raising a query with a SE16H, which is very important, and I would like to take an opportunity for a few seconds to discuss about the courses which is available on S4 HANA. These are the two courses on pricing and sales and distribution, which is around 155 67.5 hours. This is one of the extensive course. Apart from that, so you have a FSCM SD FSCO credit management concept. A lot of settings move to FSCO. Okay, this you can able to learn, and more important, the basic course with the three scenarios. SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistics. What is the great news all about? Like, I would like to bring the new course on S4 HANA 2020 on SD specific topics. Okay, let's go back to our discussion now. So let's try to those kind of courses if you would like to grab. Okay, on like sale, flash sale, or else sometimes generally Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So like some days he will put some sale with low prices in Udemy. You can able to subscribe it and you can expand your learning. Let's come to the topic. If you see KNVB and A1, this is customer sales area data. By using this, I would like to generate one report. Previously, what you are going to do, either you are generating SQVI. If it is very slow, then you have a dependency on Evapor to develop a G report. Okay, so I don't know what SAP thought to give cost effective solution, because he is charging more for S4 HANA license. Probably he brought it back. This is one of the flexibility. User can also play with this transaction if we allow to have an access. Let's try to see how we can able to join these two tables and generate one report. Let's quickly go to S4 HANA screen. So I'm just putting the transaction in the command prompt. So if I click SE16H, okay. So what I would like to do, let me put KNVB table, okay. So if I execute directly, okay. So let's try to see you are getting vast data. What do you want? Okay. So I would like to create a join with KNA1 because here you cannot able to see in KNVB customer address and street name and country name, all those kind of details, but you can able to see sales area data. The similar, if you go back to KNA1, you can able to see his general details, but you cannot able to see his sales area specific details. Okay, so this is the place where actually you are going to create outer join definition. Let's click this. Okay, just put this table. Okay, so if you want values, you can able to default it. Okay, I'm not doing so. So let's try to click this. Okay, so give a name. Okay, customer details. Okay, I'm just giving the name customer details. Okay, so once you gave this, okay, just try to save this one. Okay, so now what you have to do is, so once you given this, you just click on create. Okay, once you create, it is asking the what is the secondary table. Okay, what is secondary table? You give KNA1. Okay, KNA1, and let's try to save this first. Okay, see general data of customer master data. Okay, so you double click here. So don't confuse. If you click here with smooth, sometimes it won't come. You try to double click this, then the table, okay, secondary table will come here. More initially you will find it difficulty because first time you are trying to practice, then if you don't click properly, it won't come the table here. If you don't get the table here, you cannot able to join with the table, the next table what you want it. Okay, so KNA1 I would like to join with KNVB. Okay, so if this is the case, then you just click this. Okay, so you can take the table field. So for my case, I'm just taking the Kunnar. Okay, so like before that, you can able to select output also. So maybe I would like Kunnar, okay, for this, and I just need a fields. So probably like, these are the set of the fields. Okay, so till postal code and region I want it. So probably if something is available, okay, maybe I'll just try to put these two fields also. Okay, so just click this apply entries so that automatically background it will pick those tables. Once you click this, so for this Kunnar, you can able to choose different complex variable, system field, string operation, or something like that. You can take the method. I'm just taking the reference. Okay, reference field as Kunnar. Okay, and from which table? KNVB. So if my Kunnar matches with KNA1 Kunnar, okay, probably if you're from technical background, it is something like you can able to understand this, but it's okay, it's very simple. So you have a Kunnar table, customer number table in KNA1. You'll have the same customer number table matches with my KNVB. So this is secondary table, this is primary table. You can see this primary table. Okay, then pull the data. That is the expectation. Okay, here some options will be available, like greater than, less than, like not equal to, like that. By putting, you can able to run the query. Okay, so this is how you can able to choose this. So let me try to close this. Okay. So if this is the case, then I'm just clicking on this. Okay. Let me try to save these details. So I can able to enter more query fields like this. From here, you can, if something matches with customer to customer, okay, LAN to LAN. So, but here customer number is there, that is matches. But other fields I cannot able to give. Probably I can able to give the client. I don't want to do this. Okay. So let's select this. So this is to delete the row. Okay. So let's save this here. Okay. So you try to save this one also. So then it is asking variant name. Okay. So like, cust details is my variant. Okay. Let me try to put the shortest as well. Okay. Let's click this. Okay. See, variant cust details saved actually. So when I want this, okay, so I'm selecting this one. Okay. So then simply what I will do, I'll execute this. Before that, I just need to select the group. Okay. So I'm just trying to group this one. So let's try to execute this field. So now you can able to see what my report says. So my customer number is 200, 200, both are matches then. So I'm getting these set of the details. Okay. This is how you can able to run the report actually. Okay. So probably I'll try to select. So you can, all these options available in SE16H. Okay. Let me try to run this. So in output, I'm getting sales organization, distribution channel, division like that, I can able to group then it is going to group the fields with the table where I'm going to query against my secondary table actually. This is how you can able to run SE16H. Probably like, you can able to create the queries being a functional consultant on your own. Otherwise, if you're not able to do so, then you can take the help of technical team or ABAP team. It is very simple if you have done proper practice. Probably like an on-site. Okay, if any IT user asks, so you can do some favor. Okay, so this is all about SE16H. Okay. Uh, I'll just try to show you one another quick example. Okay. So SE16H, let me go, and KN A1. I'm just taking this one. Okay. Whereas I'll just try to put the country as DG. Okay. So I'm just trying to do this is another scenario I'm showing you. So let's try to put the query name. Okay. Customer. Okay. FI details. I'm just putting this. Okay. This is the query name. You can give any G test or something, whatever you want it. Okay. First save this. Once you save this, just click on create. Okay. Once you click on create, so just go to the output. So you have to give the table name first. I'm just giving here the table name is KNB1. This is the table for company code details. Okay. So I'm just going to the output. Okay. So I'm selecting the tables what I want. Okay. Probably company code, company code, and probably I'll try to add some details created by and accounting. Probably this is useful, reconciliation account. Like that, you can able to fill the details of whatever you want. Okay, let me try to take, because if you fill the data only, it will come. Okay, otherwise it won't come. So I'm selected this. Okay, these are the output fields. Okay, so now double click here. Here secondary table is not available. So I'll just double click. So now K and B1, it is available as a secondary table. So now let's create. Okay, take your table field. Okay, so I'm just taking the corner again. Okay, so it is available. So it's like a reference. So let me do Kunnar from which table? KNA1. Okay, so select this. Okay, so let's try to save this. Okay, so let's click on apply entries. Now, so if you save this, it will create a variant. Okay, so for particular customer also you can save it, or else multiple customers also you can go for selection and you can make it as a constant. That is different. So I'm just running this report for all these fields. Okay, I want my output says. Okay, so let me go down. So I would like to pull these fields. I would like to group with those fields which I have taken in my query. Once you save this, but every time you need not do it. Once you save it as a variant, it will work for you. Okay, so let's save this otherwise. Okay, so cust fi details. Okay, cust fi details. I just taken this variant. Now if you come here, let's try to check. Okay, fi details. Okay, let's try to execute this. See, now you can able to see these are the 3 customers because I have given the country. Okay, DE as a constant there. So for DE, whoever there in DE country, so it is giving, these are the external customer numbers which is got created, their details, it comes like this. So it is actually, initially it's not much stuff, but once you practice, it is easy if you have S4 HANA system access. What is the basic difference? I will tell you compared with other versions with this 2020. Okay, probably it became slow actually. So like the place where you are selecting query, right? Like group they have given in previous versions. For example, if you see this here, for example, I click on the change. Okay, it is a bit slow. So this is the case then, like if you see here, the group, it's a group button itself, it used to available in previous version. I don't know why he haven't given here in 2020. Okay, so if you want able to modify, is just double click and do this. This is the only thing you have to remember this. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. If you'd like to go ahead and just come and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, and so if you like the video, please like it, and if you are interested other courses, if you come here and you can able to join. So recently I have introduced one more course that is for getting masters to write functional specification. Okay, please get into this. It will be useful if you are newcomer to the industry. Thank you. Have a great day. I wish you all the best.